We just got back from San Antonio, already purchasing our home, and we are already on the hunt for boxes. We are literally here at Dairy Queen, and we saw her coming out of the door with some boxes, and I just asked her if I can have them. These are actually a little bit different because the ones she had,
hold on, there she is.
She had already cut up. She just brought us a fourth one. How sweet. We are literally just here at the drive-thru
Can I get a cup holder for the drinks? Oh, never mind, he did it. I was gonna say a cup holder for the drinks, but you got it. Thank you.
But we are on the hunt for boxes for any kind of moving stuff. We're gonna start renting our U-Haul already. I just thought I'd document this and just show how savage we are in asking for boxes, because I mean they're pretty cheap, I guess you could say, but if you can find them on the side, why not? Call me crazy, but I just snagged some boxes from Target. Also, I saw some other girl here, and no, I did not dumpster dive. They were literally on the top. This lady actually even really helped me. I think this is quite enough boxes. I am going to buy the rest. I hope these are good sizes and they're workable. I even think I might go to Home Depot to buy more tape. I have a tape gun, but I think I want to buy more tape just to have. So super cool. I was able to find some. I didn't think I was gonna find this many. There was a lot, and I told the girl that at least I know where to come now. If I do want to get more there, I can go there. I just taped up this box that we got from I guess the dumpster or whatever, and so far so good. I think it's pretty sturdy. This is how small it is. I mean, it's pretty small, I think. But I actually would prefer smaller boxes. Sorry, I look like a hot mess. It's because the bigger they are, the more I put in there, and the heavier they'll be. And just to show you guys, we are going down all those stairs. Yay. So I'm gonna try and start boxing things a little bit. I just got this random box here. I'm gonna maybe see if I can start putting stuff that's underneath here away, and then the stuff that's up there on top of the cabinets. I guess pretty much like decor stuff. I'm even thinking of starting to take down stuff from the wall. I don't know too much about that yet. And then for sure I do want to put stuff away that's on those bookshelves, and then these two, and a little Cooper mommy moment. Hi Cooper baby. Alright, so my first investment when I moved to San Antonio is I am going to buy a ring light, I promise. But this is just a couple of boxes I've done. Actually, just this one right here. And then these are still the empty ones I have so far. Some are back there. And then here are some more. I've already stacked these up. These have some of my kitchen stuff. And then now I'm just doing some kind of cups here. I'm going to put some of this in there as well, the plastic stuff. I think I'm gonna keep my dog stuff. They have their own like little section. I think I'm still gonna keep that out just in case, because there's medication in there and stuff. There's clothes just in case they get a little cold. They always gotta smell good. There's some extra doggy bags. And then of course I have their treats. I turned off my stove because I'm deep cleaning, or I'm trying to. I really do not know how to take these off. Excuse the stove, but I never, honestly, I would just go over them, but they're still so dirty. Excuse the big dirtiness. I saw TikTok that it has to stay like that for 12 hours. So yeah, we are in the making. Oh my gosh, looks like my hair is short. I also did take stuff off the walls. One, I'm trying really hard to get rid of stuff. I already kind of went to go do a Goodwill drop off. Now I just have to keep the grind going. I have all my paper here. I'm gonna kind of just prop you guys up on my stand, that way you guys can see me packing a little bit. Alright, so we are doing some little boxes, and everything is a mess. We already have those two boxed in tape. Here is more of a mess over here, and I'm gonna go ahead and use trash bags and just fill them up in here for our coats. And then I'm gonna bring down those blankets so that closet will be completely off limits. It's gonna be closed. Hi guys, so crazy story. Pretty much all the boxes that I've been getting behind Target and Bath & Body Works and Kirkland's is kind of really for nothing, because I just realized and I made a decision yesterday that I'm just going to be buying the boxes, because something deep down tells me I don't trust those boxes, because some of them had holes and I don't know, I just really don't trust them. So we're here at Home Depot. We're gonna buy the boxes here. Okay, so we are going to get 15 boxes. Cool. Okay, so here are all the old boxes. We're unpacking them just to put them in these new boxes that we got here. I'm taping them up. So yeah. This is what I'm talking about when it comes to like not trusting these boxes. Are you crying, Cooper? We have the dogs out in the patio and he's all mad.
Is that trash?
No, not yet. Almost. I'm already sweating and I'm already stressed. Alright, so we have some boxes in the coat closet and we just kind of stacked them up. It's kind of dark in there, but we're closing it up. That way we can kind of close it off again. And yeah, so we got rid of all the old boxes except for this one because this is a bunch of Goodwill stuff. And here is 3 more.
6 more boxes left.
Wow, 6 more boxes left. So I am decluttering some of my stuff and also watching YouTube, promoting my channel. Go subscribe. I just hit 100 subscribers yesterday and yeah, it's a celebration. I'm pretty much just decluttering some stuff that I know I don't need. I'm thinking of starting this a little bit no later than tomorrow. So I forgot I had this box in the laundry room. So it's a bunch of my kitchen stuff. I'm gonna put all this in this new box. Hi everyone. So we are getting stuff done. So we wrapped up our dresser. Everything in there is empty just so that the movers have something that's empty to carry. It's not that heavy. We brought this down. It's my little shelf thingy. And then we did a little bit of the closet. So we took out and boxed up all our shoes because the shoes that we're going to use for the week are in the front of the door. And then we still have our clothes, but that's just really going to be thrown in our cars. And then we wrapped up my mirror. And then this is some Goodwill stuff. And then here are some more boxes. Here is just a bin full of like books and office stuff. And then we have boxes in there. Good morning, guys. It is about to be 9 o'clock. I've been up earlier, but I'm majorly procrastinating right now just because today I plan to really deep clean my apartment. I have a load of laundry going on in the washer. I have some dishes to do. I just really want to deep clean. That way the day we're actually leaving and packed up, ready to go, I don't have to do that much. So I'm even going to do like the fans. I was going to wait to do the fans literally until everything was gone, but I think I'm just gonna already start to do that. I'm gonna clean the bathroom. I'm gonna clean the baseboards. The apartments literally give me a list of what I need to do. I think I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow I have an appointment, and then after that I do have to come home and really start finish packing because Friday I already want to have somewhat of the car loaded because we leave Saturday Saturday morning. We do have a little bit of our clothes out just because that's what I'm gonna put in this luggage. This is gonna be our luggage that goes in the car. Do you have anything to say to my friends? My eyelashes, what? You noticed? Just kidding. I went to go and get my last lash refill here in El Paso. We are finishing up. It still looks like a mess. Our packing. We have this wrapped up. Pretty much I've already showed you guys this. I don't know really why I decided to get on here, but we are packing up the last minute stuff. Say hi. Haircut? What? And he also got...
Sorry.
And he also got a haircut. So we just kind of finished up some last minute, you know, touch-ups here. It's been...
Muggy, rainy?
It's been ugly outside.
Sorry.
But I just said a prayer. Hopefully it's not like this in 2 days, because in 2 days is when the U-Haul and the movers come. So I will see you and update you guys in a bit. We pretty much just need to load up, but we're not loading up obviously until tomorrow. I don't know if I've already showed this, but the closet is empty. But we are pretty much done. We just need to load up the cars, the trailer, which we'll get tomorrow morning. I will see you guys probably till tomorrow morning. I've been really bad with vlogging right now. It is about to be 10 o'clock, and long story short, our movers got here late. They just got here, but they're already taking some stuff down, so it's really not that much stuff. This is it. We're done. We're outies. Me and Cooper are ready for a road trip. Oh, Cooper, baby. Yeah, we've officially left our apartment and we are on our way to our new home. Yeah, I'm ready and I'm excited. I am going to close out the vlog here, so before you guys go, don't forget to hit subscribe and the bell right next to it. That way you get notified every time we post a new video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. So we got this card and it says, check out your fridge for your first cheesy dinner on us, and I wanted to open it for the first time on camera. Ooh, I love this. So emotional. Okay. Ooh, some Coke and water. Actually, I really did need some water. I was about to go and tell Aaron to go get us some. This is cute. Oh my gosh. Pepperoni pizza. I'm so emotional. It's the little things. I know it's just pizza, but come on, that is so cute. I'm so happy to be here.